Hey everybody, it's a rainy day today and my hubby and I have been putting a floor in on one of our rooms upstairs. And I just wanted to show you how brilliant he is because he created our own, it's a laminate adjuster, persuader. Let's call it a persuader. We had this piece of metal in our garage, and so he screwed this block of 2x12 on there, and we put a little cushion of some aluminum tape on there, and it works great because when you need the laminate to move just a hair or maybe ½ inch, you don't want to mess up the little grooves that are on the side. So you use this brilliant tool. Anyway, it made it so much easier. Definitely a DIY, but it sure made our life a lot easier. All right, so have a great day. Enjoy the rain. I hope it's raining wherever you are in a lovely manner. Bye.